Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to continue a chapter 11, Transport in Modern Times. Dear students, in our previous video we had discussed about means of transport, that is land, water and air, and these means of transport are further divided into different parts, different types. So, I shall be continuing this topic with land transport. So, first one is roadways. One of the main factors of the advancement in means of transport is the development of thousands of kilometers of world class roads in India. The main factors of advancement in means of transport is the world class roads in India. Roads stretch across the length and breadth of our country, and they help in the movement of people and goods. Now, the roads in India. Roads in India, there are different types of roads in India. First one is national highways, second is state highways, third one is district road, fourth one is village roads, and fifth one is border roads. Now, what are national highways? National highways act as the main road network in the country. National highways are the main road network in the country by linking all states of India. We can also say that national highway connect all the states of India. The roads that connect state capital with different districts within the state are called the state highways. State highways, the roads, what are state highways? The roads that connect the state capital with different districts within the state are called the state highways. And what are district roads? District roads are those roads, the branch roads that connect district headquarters with other places of the district are known as district roads. And what are village roads? Village roads link the villages with towns. Okay, the village roads link the villages with towns. And what are border roads? Border roads constructed and maintained along the borders of India, and they are important for the defense of our country and the movement of army. So these are the different roads in India, that is national highway, state highways, district road, village roads and border roads. And dear students, our national highway number 1, NH1, is also known as Sher Shah Suri Marg. It runs between Delhi to Amritsar. It runs between Delhi and Amritsar, and NH1 is also known as Sher Shah Suri Marg. Roads play an important role in the national unity, social and economic development of India. Roads support other means of transport like railways, waterways, airways, etc. They supply goods and services to those areas where they are required. But unfortunately, the meaning of unrestricted means not limited, increase in the number of vehicles has created the problems of traffic jams, road accidents and pollution. We all know that the increase of vehicles create many problems like traffic jams, road accidents and pollutions. Next one is railways. This is the picture of Shatabdi train. This is the picture of Shatabdi train. Railways. Great advancement has taken place in Indian Railways since the time when the first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. This is also your internal question, that when was first train ran in India? So the first train ran in India from Mumbai ran in India from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, and the journey lasted for 1 hour and 50 minutes, and it covered a distance of 34 kilometers. Today, our Indian railways connect each and every part of the country. They play Railways play an important role in various activities like business, industry, agriculture, tourism, etc. And on one hand, we have trains in the hilly areas also, like Darjeeling and Shimla, that also that allow us to experience the natural beauty. And on the other hand, we have the Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi trains speeding at 145 kilometers per hour. So railways have the also great importance in the means of transport. Look at this picture. This is the picture of monorail. This is a picture of monorail, Mumbai monorail, and Mumbai monorail is the first monorail in India. Mumbai monorail is the first monorail in India. And dear students, nowadays we can see that in recent times metros have emerged as the most comfortable and clean mode of transport in cities. The success of Delhi and Kolkata metros has motivated other cities to start metros to reduce the traffic jam. The main purpose of metros are to reduce the road traffic. So there are also the importance of railways in our means of transport also. So dear students, today we read page number 99 and 100 of chapter 12, of chapter 11, transport in modern times. So you have to read these two pages, page number 99 and 100 of chapter 11, very carefully, and understand the concept of different roads in India, like national highways, state highways, district road, village roads, and border roads, and also learn the concept of railways. Thank you and have a nice day.